Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning. We are providing you free online classes for the betterment of your education, especially in this lockdown period. So how is it? Good. Okay. Thank you so much. So, as you know that the timing of our live class has been changed, right? Okay. So, all of you have acquainted with this timing, right? So you should have to inform all of your friends to join in our live class. Okay. So it is very interesting that all of you are participating so well, and we are a mini Aveti family. Yes or no? Okay. So all of you are a part of our Aveti family, right? Okay. So we are very much happy to have you as our students. So, in our previous class, I promised you to take you to a new state to celebrate a new festival. Remember? Okay. So, do you want to have a visit with me today? Right now? Okay, we'll definitely go. But before that, let me tell you how do you join in our live class. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon for more updates. Okay. So if you have not subscribed yet, then please quickly subscribe our channel. Okay. We will provide you so many free online classes with so many materials. Okay. Then quickly let's start our class. So let me tell you the rules. And these are the rules. You should have to answer the questions which are asked. Okay. And that should be only in the comment box. And secondly, don't chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, then you will feel problem while watching the video. And it is a special request to all of you. Please write down, please note down the important points only after watching the video. Okay. So, see, this is the picture of Northeast India. And today we have a visit to where? Tripura. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about the festivals which are celebrated in Tripura. Okay. See, Karachi Puja, which is celebrated in Tripura, and as you can see, this is a week long festival. A week long festivals means the festival continues for 7 days. Okay, the people of Tripura celebrate the festival for a week. Okay, so it is known as a week long festival. And here you can see this is Karachi Puja. So, this festival marked by worshipping of 14 gods. Okay, here you can see 14 gods are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 gods. And do you know who instructed for the worshipping of 14 gods? Let's see Who instructed? Now tell me, who instructed? Whose picture is this? Yes, Lord Shiva instructed for the worshipping of 14 gods, and this festival takes place in the month of July. So, in the month of July, the people of Tripura celebrate the festival Karachi Puja. So, it is celebrated in Old Agartala. Okay, as we know that Agartala is the capital of Tripura. So, there is an old Agartala which is otherwise known as Purani Haveli. Okay, so the Karachi Puja, the festival Karachi Puja, is celebrated in old Agartala or Purani Haveli. So, this is the Purani Haveli, or it is also known as the Chaturdasha temple. Chaturdasha temple means, Chaturdasha means what? 14. Okay, so Chaturdasha temple means in this temple 14 gods are worshipped. Okay, who instructed for this? Lord Shiva. So, during Karachi Puja, here you can see so many people are there. So it is said that thousands of people make a crowd in Tripura during the celebration of Karachi Puja. Okay, so they enjoy the cultural programs, and there are fairs and festivals in Karachi Puja. So the people enjoy the cultural program and the fairs also. Okay. Again, this is also the main features, the prominent features of the festival which are celebrated in Tripura is that all the people join in the celebrations. Okay. All the people of Tripura join to celebrate Karachi Puja. Okay, when? In the month of July. So, my dear good students, this is all about Karachi Puja. This is all about the festival which is celebrated in which state? Yes, Tripura. So, if you want to learn more about this festival, if you want to learn more about this celebrations or the festivals which are celebrated in Northeast India, so you can get the material thoroughly in our application, in our app, which is found in our Google Play Store. You should have to visit Play Store and download our app Aveti Learning, and you can get more materials, more assignments, more mock tests which are available in our app. So you can go through that. Okay, and you should have to inform all of your friends to download the app Aveti Learning so that you can get more information about any kind of any topic of English or any subject. Okay. So, students, today is this much. You should have to learn this topic. You should have to focus on today's topic, which is on Tripura, the festival which is celebrated in Tripura. About the Karachi festival, you should have to go through your textbook. Okay, and we will meet in our next segment, in the quiz segment. I will ask you some questions related to the topic. Okay, so in our next class, we will meet. So, let me tell you that We are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Awaiti Learning. Okay, so students, it is a request to all of you that please don't go outside, okay, during this lockdown period. You just have to stay in your home. That is why you can stay safe, okay. So as we know that health is wealth, so if we are having good health, then we can perform better, okay. So we should have to avoid unnecessary visit to anybody else, and just we should have to focus, because this is an opportunity, as previously I said, that we can explore more in this specific period, okay. So just you have to live within in this second. Just you feel that this somehow this is a gift of God, that he has given to you for more exploration, right? Yes. So don't go anywhere, just focus on Awaiti Learning. Learn the materials which are given by the teachers, by the master teachers, okay. So we will meet in our next class. Till then, keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the Authentic Learning Awaiti Learning. Thank you.